If you've closed your Xbox account and want to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 1. Visit the Xbox account recovery page. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter the email address linked to your Xbox account and click on Next. You will need to enter your password to access your account. If you don't remember your password, follow the prompts to reset it. Step 3. Select the account you want to recover. If you have multiple accounts, select the specific Xbox account you wish to reopen. Make sure that's the one that was closed. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've selected your account, follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone number. Step 5. Confirm account reopening. After verifying your identity, you will be prompted to confirm that you want to reopen your account. Follow the final instructions to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Xbox account should be reopened. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.